Hey, it's Adrian. Today I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth functionality or help you use your Bluetooth headphones or earphones with almost any type of TV, old or new, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so to make all of this work, you're going to need to buy something called a Bluetooth transmitter. And what this does is it connects to your TV and it broadcasts the audio from your TV or transmits it to your Bluetooth headphones. So the one I have is from a brand called MPOW. But there's a ton of other brands online on Amazon, and they range from like $20 to $40, so they're not too expensive. So I'll leave some links in the description below if you're interested. All right, so you've placed your order, you got your Bluetooth transmitter in the mail. Now I'll show you how to connect it to your TV. Okay, so once you have your Bluetooth transmitter, you can see mine's an MPOW brand, but they all pretty much work in the same way. So there's a port here to plug it or to recharge it. There's a headphone jack here, like a standard headphone jack. And on the side of it, you can see there's a volume plus and minus, and then there's also a switch here that changes it from receiver to transmitter. So the mode we're going to want to be in is the transmitter mode because we want to transmit the audio from the TV to our headphones. Okay, so the next step is to connect this Bluetooth receiver to the TV, and that's done through this 3.5mm headphone jack, which will come with the receiver, or it may be built into the receiver as one piece. So I'm just going to zoom in to show you the side of my TV. So like most TVs, you're going to have, an HDMI port, USB port, optical, in, out, composite. Anyway, the one you're looking for is going to be called analog audio or AUX for auxiliary port. Now that we found the auxiliary port, what we're going to do is plug in the headphone jack into one end, plug in the port into where it says analog audio or AUX, or maybe even audio out. And then the next step is to just turn it on. Okay, so now that the Bluetooth transmitter is connected to the TV, to the audio port, the next step is to just power it on and pair it with your Bluetooth headphones or earphones. So I'm going to turn this on to transmitter. And on this particular model, it flashes bright green until it pairs. So I'm just going to take the headphones out, put it next to the unit because these headphones pair when it's next to the Bluetooth device. And I'm just going to pay attention to this green light, and once it hits solid green, I'll know it's paired. Now it may be different on your Bluetooth transmitter depending on the model you buy. Pairing can take a little bit of time, so just be patient. Okay, you can see it's solid green now, and that means that it's connected to these earphones, so the audio is actually playing out of here now. So just to demo that, I'm just gonna take my microphone, which is this one here, wireless microphone. And you can see if I put this one right up to it, you should hear the audio. Sure. And then there's other options like how to mount it with or without wiring and to update firmware. So you can see it's pretty easy to do it. Once this is connected, just pair it and you're good to go. All right, so if this video was helpful, if it saved your relationship because you're not bothering your spouse watching stuff late at night, please consider liking and subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. All right, lastly, if you ran into any issues or if you're stuck with any of the steps, just leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and I'll see you in the next video.